Corey LaJoie finished in 35th place at the Charlotte Roval in the Nascar Cup Series race on October 10th, 2021. Joe Kraft Jr. finished in 28th place in the NASCAR Xfinity Series race at the Charlotte Roval on October 9th, 2021. This card is a 1988 retro-style optic card as part of the optic set. William Byron finished in 11th place in the NASCAR Cup Series race at the Charlotte Roval on October 10th, 2021. Brandon Brown finished the NASCAR Xfinity Series race at the Charlotte Roval on October 9th, 2021, backwards in the 22nd position. Joey Logano finished in the 7th position in the NASCAR Cup Series race at the Charlotte Roval on October 10th, 2021. Carl Edwards raced the NASCAR Cup Series from 2004 to 2016. Christopher Bell finished in 8th place in the NASCAR Cup Series race at the Charlotte Roval on October 10th, 2021.